Ever wished your kitchen could be as stylish as it is functional? What if there's a gadget that looks like a sleek, elegant bottle, but secretly holds the power to revolutionize the way you cook? Hidden inside this chic design are 8 essential tools that make meal prep not just easier, but a whole lot more fun. Imagine effortlessly juicing fresh oranges, grating cheese, separating eggs, and more, all with one compact tool that saves space and adds a pop of color to your countertop. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover the ultimate kitchen companion that's as practical as it is beautiful. You won't want to miss this. Introducing the Chef and Cob Corn Stripper, a game-changing kitchen tool that makes stripping kernels from fresh corn on the cob quick and easy. With its sharp, serrated stainless steel blade, this gadget effortlessly zips through corn, removing kernels in seconds. It's designed to work with any size or type of corn, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Safety is a key feature of the Cob Corn Stripper, which comes with a sturdy plastic case that protects your fingers during the use. Shaped like a corn cob, this tool is both practical and user-friendly, ensuring a secure grip and smooth operation. It's perfect for anyone who loves the taste of fresh sweet corn but wants to avoid the hassle of manually stripping it from the cob. Say goodbye to dull knives with a sharpener that securely grips any surface and brings your blades back to life with just a light touch. The AnySharp knife sharpener is a must-have tool for anyone who values sharp, efficient kitchen knives. Designed with a unique power grip suction base, it securely attaches to any flat surface, allowing for safe, hands-free sharpening. This sharpener is incredibly user-friendly, requiring only light pressure to restore a razor-sharp edge to your knives. What sets the AnySharp apart is its versatility. It works on virtually any steel knife, including hardened steel and serrated blades like bread and hunting knives. The sharpener is preset at the optimal 20-degree angle, ensuring a perfect edge every time, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of skill level. Despite its compact size, the AnySharp knife sharpener delivers powerful results, making it easy to store but essential in the kitchen. Its durable plastic body in sleek silver not only performs well, but also adds a touch of modernity to any kitchen. With a 2-year warranty, it's a reliable tool that keeps your knives in top condition, enhancing your cooking experience. Introducing the Dreamfarm Smood, the ultimate potato and vegetable masher designed for smooth and effortless results. Its unique spring coil design allows for easy mashing by trapping food and pushing it through the gaps, creating fluffy mash in seconds. The Smood's ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures comfort and prevents wrist strain, making it ideal for frequent use. This innovative kitchen tool also features a built-in silicone scraper, perfect for cleaning bowls or pots without scratching. The heat-resistant design, offering up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-safe convenience, make the Smood both practical and durable. Compact and lightweight, it's an essential addition to any modern kitchen, combining functionality with ease of use. Elevate your food prep with the 2-piece Crinkle Cutter Set, a must-have for anyone who loves creative and efficient food preparation. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel, these crinkle cutters are durable, rust-resistant, and ideal for slicing fruits and vegetables with ease. The set includes 2 wavy cutting tools, one with a wooden handle and the other with a plastic handle, both ergonomically designed for comfort and effortless use. These versatile tools are perfect for making waffle fries, pickle chips, or adding a decorative touch to your salads and fruit platters. Whether you're chopping potatoes, cucumbers, or even making fancy garnishes, these cutters provide a quick and convenient way to achieve impressive results. With their wavy design, these cutters not only enhance food presentation, but also make slicing fun and efficient. Their sturdy construction ensures longevity, while the easy-to-clean material makes maintenance a breeze. Perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking, this set is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. Discover the magic of the Dreamfarm Smood, the ultimate tool for effortlessly mashing potatoes and vegetables with ease. But keep on watching as we have even more incredible kitchen gadgets coming your way. Effortlessly crack open your eggs with precision using a sleek tool that turns breakfast into a breeze. Meet the FANTES Egg Topper, This device is a sleek and efficient tool that makes enjoying eggs easier than ever. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it features a simple spring mechanism. Just pull up the ball and release it to create a clean cut on your boiled eggshell. This precise tool is perfect for both soft and hard-boiled eggs. And it even works great for cracking raw eggs for baking. Easy to use and dishwasher safe, the egg topper is designed for durability, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or baking a delicate dessert, this tool simplifies the process, allowing you to enjoy perfectly cracked eggs with minimal effort. Ideal for home kitchens and professional settings alike, the FANTES Egg Topper brings convenience and efficiency to your culinary routine. Introducing the premium egg slicer Wedger cutter, a must-have tool for effortlessly slicing hard-boiled eggs into 6 equal segments in one swift motion. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this durable kitchen gadget features tightly stretched wires that cut cleanly through eggs without damaging the yolk, ensuring perfect slices every time. Designed in Germany, this egg cutter combines a sleek, polished finish with practical functionality. It's easy to use and built to last, resisting rust and corrosion while remaining lightweight and comfortable to handle. The convenient ring pull lock and hanging loop make it easy to store, keeping your kitchen organized. Ideal for preparing salads, sandwiches, or snack platters, this egg cutter offers reliability and precision, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. With its robust construction and thoughtful design, the egg slicer Wedger cutter ensures long-lasting performance, backed by a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Transform your garlic prep with a tool that peels, slices, and dices in seconds. No mess, no lingering odor, just perfectly prepped garlic ready for your next dish. The Kitchen Innovations Garlic Appeal is your go-to tool for quickly peeling, slicing, dicing, and grating garlic without leaving any odor on your hands. This versatile gadget features a silicone peeler and 2 interchangeable stainless steel blades, one for dicing garlic into cubes and the other for creating thin slices. Simply place the garlic between the top and the chosen blade, press down, and the clear container catches your perfectly prepared garlic, ready to be added directly to your dish. For those who love making garlic paste, the bottom of the container has raised teeth that easily create a smooth paste. The extra blade and silicone peeler conveniently snap into the bottom compartment for easy storage. Unleash the power of 8 essential kitchen tools cleverly hidden in a stylish bottle that transforms both your cooking and your countertop. This device, as we have introduced to you at the beginning, is a clever all-in-one gadget that combines 8 essential kitchen tools into a single, stylish design. This innovative tool includes a funnel, juicer, grater, egg separator, and more, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Each component stacks together to form a bottle-shaped accessory that not only saves space, but also adds a decorative touch to your countertop. Made from BPA-free materials, this tool is safe for everyday cooking and easy to clean. The color-coded utensils allow for quick identification, ensuring you always have the right tool at hand. Whether you need to squeeze fresh juice, grate cheese, or measure ingredients, this multifunctional kitchen gadget streamlines your cooking process and reduces clutter. With its compact design and vibrant colors, the SHENNOSI ZNOKA kitchen tool bottle is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, transforming your kitchen into an organized and efficient space. Hey everyone! Thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Are you looking for futuristic pairs of shoes that will elevate not only your fashion sense, but also the way you put on your kicks? Well, look no further, because we'll be featuring marvelous pairs of shoes in our next video, particularly one that makes on and off a breeze. This pair also comes with a heel that pivots open for a totally hands-free entry, making it great for people with limited mobility or anyone who wants a quicker way to get going. So keep on watching, and we'll see you next time.